Hey guys, I'm in my hotel room in Berlin right now. Man, it's only like 9 p.m., but I'm dead tired because every time I go to these tech conferences, so this is IFA, it's just so tough for me because I'm like a one-man band. Everyone else has a whole team. So like today, I saw people from like Android Authority, Android Central, like Engadget has like 3 people here, and I'm always just here by myself. And I do stuff for YouTube, and also I write. So today you might have read the news that Honor they had a global launch event for the Honor Play, and then the president of Honor, George Zhao, he launched a surprise device. Well, he didn't really launch; he teased it. A surprise device, the Honor Magic 2. So it's basically a slider phone. So now I was one of the few people who actually saw the phone closer in person. He pulled out the phone at the launch event, but nobody could really see it. It was like really far away. But I met with him the night before actually for an interview, and I was fortunate enough to see the phone. I didn't get to touch it, but I saw it. It's kind of like the Oppo Find X, so there's no notch. So it's like mostly bezel-less. I mean, there's still like a noticeable black border around the display. And then, so what you do is you slide down on the screen. You physically use your finger to slide the screen down, and it will reveal the back module, which will have the selfie camera and probably like other things like a face scanning tech or like earpiece or something. But so the phone, even though it's teased today, it's actually not going to be out for at least 2 months. Honor George Zhao, I interviewed him. He told me that he originally wasn't going to announce the phone today in Berlin, but he wanted to do it because he said, and this is according to him, a competitor got word of what they're trying to do of the Honor Magic 2, the sliding phone, and they have copied the idea and will try to beat them to the market. So I asked him, what company is this? And he wouldn't say, he wouldn't tell me. Well, now we know because Donovan Sung of Xiaomi, he's Xiaomi's like global marketing head. He just tweeted this picture. It says coming in October. So this is obviously the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. And as you can see, it is a sliding phone concept. So now I think the fact that Donovan Sung tweeted the picture today, it's quite interesting because that means he probably thinks like, oh, Honor wants to show off their phone. Well, we got one too. So that means Donovan probably doesn't agree with what George claimed, which was that Xiaomi copied Honor. It might be the other way around. Maybe Honor copied Xiaomi. Who knows? I mean, George claims Xiaomi copied Honor, but I'm not going to listen to George just because he said it, right? Like that's the #1 rule of being a journalist. Don't just listen to whatever someone tells you, especially when they're like marketing something. So I don't know who copied who. Either Xiaomi copied Honor or Honor copied Xiaomi, but either way, we have 2 sliding phones coming out. Xiaomi says it'll come out in October, then it'll probably beat Honor because Honor is not going to be until November because you have to wait for the Kirin 980. So we have 2 sliding phones coming out, and it's just crazy. These Chinese phones have no chill. In 1 year, they've completely gone through the whole cycle of the notch already. Like the beginning of the year, they were copying the iPhone 10 notch, and then they developed the smaller notch, which is on some Vivo and Oppo devices right now. And then now they're doing no notch at all with a sliding interface. So now I want to make clear, it's not quite like the Oppo Find X because Oppo Find X, the top part comes up by itself. It's completely motorized. On the Honor Magic 2, at least from what I saw, you physically drag the screen down. So instead of the top part coming up, the screen goes down. And I believe the Xiaomi phone will be similar. Both phones look pretty good. There are no proper photos of the Honor Magic 2 yet, but I saw the phone in person. I think it looks good, but the Xiaomi phone Mi Mix 3 looks pretty damn good too. Anyway, just wanted to make a quick video commenting on this. I will have more from IFA. I'm gonna go interview Richard Yu of Huawei tomorrow, and then I think I'm gonna get the red Magic phone from Nubia. So thanks for watching.